Yo, how's it going, YouTube? It's your boy Non-Loyal Barber. It's been a long time since I made a video. I know, I'm sorry. I was busy. So much stuff I had to do, adult stuff. There was a point where I wasn't really into barbering because I was so stuck on my full-time job that I didn't have time to cut hair or even make any type of content. So recently I just was like, hey, I just need to pick up the camera, pick up my phone, and just start recording something, get back on the grind. Just to get it out there. I mean, I know this whole making barber video thing, it's kind of saturated, but hey, you never know, it might go somewhere. If you like my videos, cool. I really appreciate the support. This is just to help people. My channel is just to do reviews. If you guys want to see what's new, like new clippers or new tools, I'm gonna be reviewing them and unboxing them, showing you what's in the box. So with that being said, today I'm actually gonna be showing you guys this bad boy. It's the Stylecraft Heat Stroke. This is the cordless version. So they just came out with the corded version, but this is the cordless one, and I'm gonna be making an unboxing review, so stay tuned. All right, YouTube, this right here is the Heat Stroke by Stylecraft. It is a wireless beard and styling hot brush. It's sort of like a straightener in a way, but it's for your beard. So like me, I would use it on myself or someone that has a really long beard. Of course, it's like an extra service you can add, offer it to someone, like I said, with a big beard or just a beard like this, or somebody that just wants to keep it maintained or have it going, something like that. All right, first things first, let's look at the packaging. The packaging on here, I like the way it feels. It sounds weird, I know it's just the packaging, but hey, packaging's, you gotta make a good first impression, so that's why the packaging really does matter. The packaging here, like I said, it's nice, it's heavy, it's hard, so it's it's good quality right here, good quality. It's slick, it has some good weight to it, so I like that right there. The way to open it, real dope, real dope. Some of the details on here, it comes with a 1-year warranty from Stylecraft. So if it were to mess up or it goes out or anything like that, you email Stylecraft and then they'll actually send you a new one. And that's just how Stylecraft is. They're really dope, really great customer service, can't complain. Some other brands, not gonna name who, they're gonna make a big old fail about it. That's just how it is. This comes with a lithium ion battery, so let me show that right there. Lithium ion battery, so you won't have to be having to charge it all the time, anything like that. It's gonna last you all day. It depends on how much you use it. Also, talking about how much you use it, if you only use it for like one client and then your next client doesn't want this service, this actually has an auto shut off. So what that means, after 20 minutes of not using it, it's gonna automatically just turn itself off, and they won't, you won't have to burn anything. You're not gonna burn your hand or anything like that, because it's gonna be turned off. It's gonna cool itself down. All right, guys. So then also too, so this is what it says is included in the box. It is the Heat Stroke itself. It comes with a velvet carrying case and a USB charger. So that's cool right there. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what's in it. And some other things I forgot to mention real quick before we get to the opening stage of the unboxing. This actually comes with a USB port on the top. Not sure if you can read that, but yeah, so on top of it, it's gonna have a USB port. So in case you need to charge something like your phone or something, or like maybe even your clippers, I don't know. I'll try it out and I'll let you guys know how it works. But you could use this as a charger as well. So that's something really dope. You don't see that from anybody else except from Stylecraft. Another thing is that it has an LED, so it lets you know your power or anything like that. Like it's 75%, 100%, 20%. Lets you know where you're at. Also lets you know what range of temperature you have. So if you're on the 3, I believe it goes 310, 350, and 400. So that's another good thing right there. It lets you know how hot it's gonna get. Or for someone that has like a small beard, you don't want to go too hot. If someone with a thick, real big beard, you might want to go a little bit hotter just so you can get into into the crevices of the hair and stuff like that, the cuticle. And then it also comes with the safety lock feature, so you can just hold on to I believe it's the power button, and it's gonna lock itself. You won't have to turn it off. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and open it up. There it is right there. So it comes it's right here, and then the charger. This is the case right here, and then the USB is right behind it. So I'm gonna take this off for you real quick. This is actually the first time, I've had it for a while, just the first time I actually open it. Put this down real quick. There it is, guys. The heat stroke. Comes covered, so you can, like I said, once you turn it off, or once it automatically turns off, you could just put the cover on and won't burn anybody. If you put it down and you put it down, you're cutting somebody else's hair and you go to reach for it or something, you have that cover to protect you. That's a good thing right there. Like I said, it has the LED right here just to let you know your battery percentage, your temperature, stuff like that. Power button. This is going to be your heat button, so you can change your heat ranges from right here. Go ahead and take off the cap, and there's the brushes right there. First thing first, they're like plastic in a way. I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't expecting them to be kind of plasticky, but I get it because it's supposed to be hot, so it's gonna run through your hair pretty good. So this is pretty much what heats up. You have your handle right here, so you won't burn anything. It's still pretty good though. It looks pretty good. It's nice and slim. Nice and slim. Feels good in the hands. Has some good weight to it too. Let's check what else is in the box. All right, so this is what else is in the box. It's gonna, like I said, it's gonna be the charger. Rolled up right there. And then this is gonna be the case, the velvet case with the USB port. There's a nice little case right here for it. It feels good. It looks nice too. I mean, it would have been nice if they put like heat stroke or Stylecraft or something on there, just so you can know. But other than that, it's cool. I forgot to show you guys too. Where is it at? It's right here. So yeah, it does have a little USB. So if you want to connect something, you know, we can see how it works. See how good it charges. We try to see how good it charges and stuff like that. And what I love about Stylecraft is they keep with everything, with whether it's the clippers or the trimmers, they stay with the USB port. Makes it super easy. It's not like you know, if you have an iPhone, you have to get an iPhone Lightning charger. This is just gonna be just a regular USB port. Real easy right there. I like it. But yeah, guys, so this was just an unboxing. I am gonna make some videos using this and then doing like a little review on it, just so I can let you guys know how I like it, how does it feel. I might do one on myself. I have a couple clients that have beards, so I might use it on them, give you their feedback on how it feels on them. Is it too hot? Does it feel weird running through their beard or anything like that? So yeah, guys, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel and you like this type of content, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell to get notified when I do make videos. Like I said, guys, I know it's been a while since I made some new videos, but I am trying to make something new. I want to keep it as unboxings, reviews, and stuff like that. But I also did post on my Instagram, what would you guys like to see? So if you leave down in the comments, what would you guys like to see? Would you guys like to see more reviews, more unboxings? Would you guys like to see some tutorials or something like that? Just let me know in the comment section down below. But like I said, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a nice day. See you guys later.